guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Cassandra. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're someone who is looking out for healthy recipes that are very simple and easy to make, then this channel is the right channel for you. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite vegetable sauces that is like very easy to make. If you're someone who is always like, I don't know what to prepare, I don't know what to cook, I don't know what to do, then you need to watch this video because this simple recipe is going to blow your mind. It is so tasty and so nutritious. So I want you to join me in the kitchen. I just finished filming one recipe which will come up later, but I just want to quickly make this and keep in the refrigerator. So during the week, I want to have vegetable with anything I want to eat. I have this sauce ready. So let me show you the ingredients. Very simple, okay? So here I have some ugu leaves and wild spinach. I'm sure you cannot really tell the difference between the one that is ugu and the one that is spinach. Yes, so yeah, so I have vegetable, any vegetable of choice, you can use that. I have some fresh tomato here, just one, and I have some shrimps. So any protein that you want to use is fine, but this particular recipe is with shrimps, and if you are a seafood lover, then you're going to love this one. I have onions, I have crayfish, some red chili flakes, and I'm going to be using this for our pepper base. So one fresh tomato, tatashe, which is like the hot bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and the red chili pepper. So I'm going to blend this with some onions and we'll use that for our pepper paste. And this is what you need for this recipe. Let's get started, guys. And of course, if you have not downloaded my recipe books, please check the description box. I have linked everything there. And if there is any food equipment or kitchen accessories that you love that I use, I've also linked them in the description box. You can get them there. My recipe books are very easy to use and a lot of people have downloaded it. And I have a smoothie recipe book, I have a dinner recipe book, and I have a normal recipe book that you can use for anything. Then you need to check my description box. Subscribe to this channel. Let's kick ourselves up to 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, okay? So let's get straight into the recipe. So I'm just going to blend water into this. Now it's time for us to prepare the vegetable. I'll be using my carroty pot today for this recipe. If you want to get it, it comes in a set of 4 and it is really nice. You can check the description box for the link to get yours, okay? I'm going to be using a blend of some palm oil and olive oil together for this recipe. Add a little bit of palm oil into the pot and some olive oil as well. A pinch of salt. I'm going to add my onions. The next thing we're going to add is the pepper blend. I'm not going to use everything. Let's allow this to simmer for about a minute before we add our shrimps, okay? After 1 minute, we're going to put in the shrimps. The only spice that we actually need for this is some crayfish and little seasoning powder. And that's all that we need for this meal. We're going to add about a tablespoon of crayfish because it's vegetable, so we need enough crayfish in here. Some seasoning powder. Stir and allow to cook. Now it's time for us to add our vegetable. So this is ready. As you can see, our shrimps, the sauce is ready now. So I'm just going to put in my vegetable. You're going to fall in love with this sauce. It's really tasty. just going to put in the vegetable in there. I'm going to add some more crayfish powder, the fresh tomato, some onions, and all you have to do right now is just stir this and your vegetable sauce is ready. So tasty. Going to stir. Remember that this is vegetable. It is not to overcook. You're not to allow your vegetable to overcook. You just need to steam this. So that's what it is. That's the reason why we make sure our sauce was well cooked, okay, before adding our vegetable, because your vegetable should not overcook at all. And this is what it looks like, and this is looking so good. Just take a look at this, and it's so delicious. You're going to love this with rice. You're going to love it with spaghetti. I tried this with some macaroni and I liked every bit of it. I really liked it. The comments if you're going to try this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and of course download my recipe books because you're going to love every single recipe in there. The secret to healthy eating is taking it one step at a time. Be patient with yourself and make use of herbs, spices, a lot of vegetables in your meals, and you're good to go. So I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.